You can go weeks without food. You can survive days without water. But if you stop sleeping, your brain turns against you frighteningly fast. At 24 hours of total sleep deprivation, your brain feels surprisingly fine. You might even feel a sudden burst of energy. This is dopamine kicking in. Your body senses danger and tries to keep you alert. But it is a trap. Your reaction time drops to the level of someone legally drunk. Your emotional center becomes wildly hyperactive. Small annoyances make you furious. By 36 hours without sleep, silent damage begins inside your bloodstream. Inflammatory chemicals flood your body. Your heart rate rises. Your immune system starts breaking down. Inside your brain, memory formation shuts off completely. Neurons literally refuse to communicate with each other. You start experiencing microsleeps. These are involuntary bursts of sleep lasting just a few seconds. Your brain forces your eyes open, but you are functionally unconscious. If you are driving or operating machinery, this is where people die. At 48 hours, reality starts to fracture. Your brain runs out of usable glucose. To conserve energy, it begins shutting down non-essential regions. The line between what is real and what is in your head starts to blur. Hallucinations begin. You might see shadow figures in the corner of your eye. You might hear voices whispering your name. Paranoia sets in. You feel like you are being watched. Your body is screaming for rest, but your heightened stress response keeps your adrenaline pumping. Reach 72 hours and total cognitive collapse occurs. You can no longer form coherent thoughts. Simple tasks feel impossible. Your perception of time disintegrates completely. Seconds feel like hours. You experience severe depersonalization. You look at your own hands and feel like they belong to a stranger. In 1964, a 17-year-old student named Randy Gardner stayed awake for 11 days straight. By the end, he could not perform basic math, became wildly paranoid, and lost his short-term memory entirely. In animal studies, total sleep deprivation proved fatal. Rats kept awake continuously died within 2 to 3 weeks. Their bodies lost the ability to regulate heat and defend against bacteria. Their systems simply burned out. Why is sleep so non-negotiable? Every single second you are awake, metabolic toxic waste builds up in your brain. During deep sleep, your brain's glymphatic system opens up, flushing away these toxic proteins. When you do not sleep, those toxins accumulate like toxic garbage, piling up on a city street during a strike. Eventually, the system chokes on its own waste. Sleep is not a luxury or a passive break. It is an active biological survival protocol. Every night, your brain literally washes itself clean of the biological damage caused by consciousness. Without that reboot, the very organ that defines who you are begins to break down from the inside out. Tonight, when you close your eyes, remember this. You are not just resting. You are escaping your own mind's inevitable breakdown.